Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm gonna try to do this Rubik's Cube today. I've never done one before, but someone said that you can just do them by counting numbers in your head. So, like an algorithm, there's a 3-2-1-4-8-3, 3-2-1-4-8-3 algorithm that you can do and do this Rubik's Cube. So we're gonna try to do it today. So as you can see, it's completely mixed up. All right, here we go. Three, two, one, 2-8-3. 3-2-1, 2-8-3. 3-2-1-2, 3-8-3-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-2-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8, let's see. All right, and so far it's working. My 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 8, 1, 3, 8, 4. We've got the white one part done. All right, let's continue, shall we? 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. All right, we got the two bottom levels done. This is working, guys. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4. All right. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4 is working, y'all. I'll be damned. 3-8-2-1, 3-8-4 algorithm worked. Y'all have a good day. God bless.